All right, here we are with Anastasio. What's up, Anastasio? Say hello.
Hello.
Look here. Look. See, there you are.
And
right.
There is the queen bee, that one right there.
Hey. Wait, where is she?
Right there. My
There
finger?
she is.
Here?
Right there. Yep, look at her.
She's
Right
just
there.
traveling through.
She's the longest one. There she is.
So when the queen bee dies, another one goes in an egg, and then when it comes out of the hive and it flies up high in the sky, and then it will make a smell that all the boys will come and love her.
Oh my God, how do you know that?
You tell me.
Oh.
I'm really excited about this one. Is there a king bee?
No, there's worker bees, drones.
If there's two queens, they fight, and whichever one wins gets to rule.
Mm-hmm. How are we doing, Anastasio?
How much are there?
There are probably around
Thousands.
7,000 bees. You're holding a couple, I don't know, a couple hundred, or maybe even thousands, including the other side. You scared?
Not really.
Attaboy. We found the queen cup, which is where they're storing, or they're creating a new queen.
The queen cup is where the queen. It's very big.
Yeah.
And we saw the queen bee.
We watched so you don't squash any bees.
And we saw the queen bee, who was very large and orange and yellow.
Yeah. Too bad we can't see her here. She was somewhere
No,
in this area, right?
No, I'm talking about the queen, not the queen cell. There's a bunch of bees.
All right. They don't like to be bothered, so let's
Smoke them.
let's close it up and put them back.
Yeah, there's one on me. Oh, it likes me. I'm not sure if it wants to go.
To be born, where is it? Where is it?
Right there.
Oh yeah, look at that.
See there? That thing. We don't know if it's a bee about to be born, but it looks like one.
Yeah, I mean, we're learning here, guys. So
Sometimes the bees just go in, like that one just put his head in.
you think that was already open and they're just going in?
No, but I think it's a larva because it's not really coming out unless... If it was big, it would just plop out. I think it needs help.
It looks like it's about to come out.
Oh, that one just pushed it right in.
Think so?
Yeah. Come on, grab onto me. Should I grab him by his antennas?
No.
Are the antennas yours?
Oh my God, it's coming out.
No.